How to create a free dropshipping website for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free dropshipping website. So now let's get started. So first, you want to go to signup.freewebstore.com to go to this free website builder and platform to create your own websites for free. So in this free web store platform, you can browse hundreds of designs, create your own and save your own library of themes to use throughout the year, from simple to color minimalist designs to graphic-laden masterpieces. Free Web Store accommodates them all, equipped with many tools such as theme editor, image editor, incorporating your social media, and so much more. So instead of using properly known website builders like Wix and others, we are actually going to use this platform called Free Web Store. So without further ado, let us get started. So at the top button right here that says get started, so let's just click on that. And then when you scroll down, you can see many template designs that are already pre-made by Free Web Store, and these are all for free. So you can just click on any template you want. So for me, I am planning to create a drop shipping website that is for apparel. So I'm just going to click on an appropriate design that I actually like and which I think is more appropriate for my product. So I'm actually going to go with this, and some templates are also branded as popular so it can catch your attention since it is labeled right here. So just hover through a template and you can see options, view details, and select design. So I'm just going to click on select design right away. After that, Free Web Store then will ask you to sign up. So I'm just going to sign up with Google since it is the easiest option I prefer. So since it is a new account, I'm just going to click on create account right here. You will then be redirected to this little admin interview that is automated. So you can just go through the options and just click on whatever is appropriate to you. After you go through the little interview, it will automatically load your dashboard for the template that you just chose. Let's just wait for it to load. Now we are on the main dashboard of Free Web Store where you can get started with creating your website. So first, at the main dashboard, there is a designated store tasks right here to guide you which steps you should take to complete creating your website. So there's create brand, find a domain, customize homepage, add your products, accept payments, set up shipping, and finally publish your store. So first, let's click on create brand. So this is how the editor looks like. You can customize a color palette and click on any color palette you want, and you can also customize the colors right here with the color option tool. Just click on select if you have chosen the right color, and you can just click save if you have set on your preferred colors. Then decide on the font you want to show on your website. So let's opt for one that is easily readable so that it will be more appealing to your visitors. So just click on save. You can also add up your logo right here. You can click change on this and upload the logo you have so that your website will be recognized as the brand you have. So just click on save right here. And let's just skip on other steps right here and click on next, and it will show you the navigation of the website editor so it can be guided more. Just click on start. Actually, we're just going to click on exit right here so that we are going to go to the main dashboard again. Click on home right here and review the steps you have to take, and then let's click on manage right here. Click on overview. So right here, we can click on products since we are creating a drop shipping website. So we should add our products in the website so that it will be shown to your customers. So first, let's add a product right here. So I'm planning to create a website for a particular apparel brand. So a product name can be like a tank top. As for the price, so set it at $14.99. The category, we actually don't have any categories yet, so as for the product code, you can also customize that to whichever you want. For the product stock, so the customers will know if there is an available stock for your particular product. And then you can also add an image. This is pretty important so that people have more visualization of the actual visual of the product. So just click on add after it uploads. And you can also add in the product description for the customers to read more details about your product. So let's just type in stylish black tank top. So let's just click on add so that particular product will be added to your website. So it actually needs one category. So let's just close it right up, and we can add categories by clicking on the product categories option right here. And we can add a category. So since it's apparel, we can add shirt, pants, and shoes. So let's go back. Before going back to the added product, let's just hit on save so that the categories will be saved on your website settings. After it's saved, let's just go back to the added product right here at the left navigation tab. Click on add a product again, and let's type in the details that we input before. And now our product is added to our products tab and website. And you can add more products if you want. List all products, add more categories right here. Going back to the categories, you can actually add in subcategories. So like if you want to categorize more under shirts, so you can add like crop tops right here, and it will be under the shirt main category. As for the pants, let's type in a particular category like denim, leggings, or the shoes. So if you added a category wrongly, you can just right click on that and click on delete right here. And you can click on shirt and add tank top there. And now it is under the right category. And let's just hit on save so that the categories will be saved and reflected on your website. So let's go back to the home page right here and click on preview right here so that we can preview our store that we just created. So since it is not published yet, it just says coming soon. So go to the customize homepage button right here so that we can customize the pages that we have. So in here, there is navigation or menu. So you can easily reorder the navigation menu options right here so that it will be according to your preference. You can also add new pages and manage your pages more. Just hit on save if you're done with everything in managing your pages. Go back to home again and go to the website editor again to change up some details. So let's change our products that we added. Our website is called Pulse, and you can see the navigation menu right here. And you can also connect your domain right here so that it will be more customized and appropriate to your brand so that it will look more legit to your customers. Let's go to the home page again and finally click on this publish store after you have set up a way to get paid and customize the homepage more. After you add in all the details, let's just click on publish store right here. So let's click on the publish option right here and click on save. After that, at the top right section, you can see a preview button. So let's just click on that so that we can view our store, and we can also click on new window so that it will be shown a whole new tab. So right here, we can see our navigation menu, shop, shirt, pants, shoes. So that is all the categories we added in before. There's also an account option, the add to cart, the search button. And right here, we can see our products. So let's just click on that and see if the details we input before are incorporated. So all the details are right here. And you have successfully set up your products into your own free dropshipping website. So you can always go back to the website editor and add in some details if you want. Also, Free Web Store has an app center, and there are many helpful apps right here that are for free, so you can incorporate your social media, such as this Instagram gallery right here. So this one is actually not free, it is for $2, but there are many other apps that can be used to your website so that it will be more manageable and for you to have easy navigation for the data of your website. So this platform is really easy to use and easily navigated for you to create your own dropshipping website. And that actually ends our tutorial on how to create a free dropshipping website. I hope this was helpful in teaching you how to add a product to your own website and editing other details for your customers and for your business to grow. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.